Let's have a look at another 2-card combination. The Ace of Pentacles, new ideas, new beginnings, potential opportunity. The 2 of Pentacles, this is weighing up options, looking at one option and the other, juggling. So I think maybe there's more than one new potential opportunity coming in, having a look at the options, see which one works best, or potentially juggling a day job with a side hustle and bringing in new opportunities and seeing what you like and what you want to do. But this is definitely on the financial options and weighing up your options and seeing what you like and what you don't like, what you enjoy, what you don't enjoy, what you can handle time-wise and not, potentially also time management and doing everything, maybe doing 2 or 3 different jobs that can bring you more financial opportunity longer term, but having to see if you've got the time to do them.